How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a girlfriend step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to show you guys how I got a girlfriend. It's very easy to do. It's not difficult to do. So I'm going to tell you guys how to do it both ways. One is going to be using dating apps on the internet. The second one is going to be in person. So the first one we'll talk about is on dating apps on the internet, because that's very common now. Like literally like 90% of relationships start on the internet. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously find a dating app. To be honest, the ones that you have to pay for are going to be better, because if you're paying to be on the site, then every single person is going to be pretty serious about dating. If you do the free ones, you're still going to find some serious people, but you're also going to find some people that are trolling. They might be messing around a little bit. They might be goofing around or whatever. So they might not be serious about the dating, which is fine. But again, if you're looking for a dating app, it's definitely better to pay if you can. That is what I did. Now, when you actually find someone, it's good to find someone with somewhat similar interests. So you don't have to literally like exactly the same thing, but there should be at least one or two things that you guys are pretty similar on. So it might be politics, it might be working out, it might be sports, it might be video games. There should be something that you guys have something in common with. If you guys are literally the exact opposite, it can definitely work, but it's definitely going to be harder. So start texting them. If you're using the dating app, start to get to know them, see what kind of person they are, ask them what their previous job experience was, maybe ask them if they have any siblings, ask them whereabouts they used to grow up. It doesn't matter, just ask them some basic questions. Here's the thing. Don't over ask questions. You don't want to literally text them for 2 months, ask everything about them. Then when you go on your first date, you have nothing to talk about. The texting game should only be about a week or so. It shouldn't be any longer than that. You shouldn't be texting for 6 months straight. That is not what you do, because eventually the person will lose interest. That is very simple. The dating game on the internet is definitely easier than in person. In person, what you can do is you need to sign up for groups, such as, let's say, rock climbing, a running group, a cooking class. It doesn't matter. There's so many groups out there for literally anything that you can think of. Working out groups, video game groups. It doesn't matter. Join a group or two. When you join this group, there are going to be girls present normally, and all you have to do is start talking to them, get to know them. It's a lot more difficult to do it in person because you're going to be way more nervous. So that's how you do it, you guys. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.